Alright guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to remove the front headrest out of the Volkswagen ID4 pretty quickly, and we're going to show you how to do the rear. In the driver's seat, this is what you're focusing on here. I'll show you exactly what to do. So we're going to let this down just enough to get a finger here under it. Just enough to get a finger here. Remember, on the left side. So if I'm facing the steering wheel, this is the left side here. So this is where we want to be at this ring, not this ring, just this one. The side the button is on, to be a little bit more precise. And set it down some, just enough to get a finger here and get the camera mounted. You want to press down towards the front, finger in here, raise up again. So show you want to press it down at here. I'm pressing down right here. Let it down some, press down in the front with right hand or left hand, whichever one you are. I'll use my thumb, press down. Couple seconds. And to reinstall them, just as simple. Just put them in a hole, like so. You may have to wiggle to find the hole. That's it. They're locked in place. Let's do the other side. So we focus on this ring here, same size button on. The left ring, once again, still. If you're facing the steering wheel, just that left ring right here. I use my thumb, it's better, more leverage. I'm gonna come down some right there. Come out with it. You gotta go so hard. So a couple seconds, headrest is out. Rear headrest, super fast, quick, simple, and easy. This applies to all three headrests. To raise them up, you just, if you want one of these, you pretty much know, but to raise them up, just pretty much put it and adjust it. It's locked in place. This button allows you to let it back down, like so. However, you need to press this button as well as this one to remove it completely from the rear seat. Let me show you guys how to do that super quick. This applies to all three. Zoom in, use my thumb for this. Use my finger for that. Just while I'm lifting up. Use this finger for that, thumb, come out. Super easy. Put it back in, locks in place. That's all to it. Okay guys, I hope you found this video helpful. I'm installing some aftermarket seat covers that's supposed to be really nice. And if you want one of these, you guys should check that out. I think you'll like them. So, hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Terrence and I'm out.